Lou Bachrodt Auto Mall is your connection to the new truck you've been waiting for. Our massive selection and low pricing make it easy for you to find exactly the truck you need, new or used, at just the right price. So wherever you're going, your new truck will help you get there. And when you shop with us, you're always covered by the Bachrodt Best Warranty. Certified used vehicles come with a 120-point vehicle inspection and a 20-day 500-mile exchange. Get started today at Bachrodt.com or come see us in Rockford, where all roads lead to Bachrodt.